Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I think this is going to be my last video of 2020. Anyways, it's the weekend before Christmas, so I figured I would vlog because it's all festive and whatnot. I finally have all my gifts done, like completely finished. There's one person I couldn't get the gift for because they didn't have the item in stock at Louis, and then it was not doable, so I'll have to do an IOU, but they don't mind. I've already spoken to them about it, so that's okay. And then everyone else I got for, so let me just show you guys some of the stuff. So I have this bag of gifts for my work. People at work. I wrapped everything up. Oh my god, I just have stuff all over the place. A gift for my friend here. She got something from Aritzia, and then some Asian snack. I also ordered a bunch of stuff from Annie and MERCE for a lot of my friends, so I'm excited because I'm gonna go pick up that package tomorrow. She's has my order ready, and I ordered a lot of stuff. So if you guys don't know, I talk about Annie and MERCE like a lot. I'm actually like so obsessed with them, but they make these things, these scrunchies, and then they also make this tote bag that I love so much. So now I have to call Aritzia because I placed an order like during Black Friday and it never shipped and I never got it, so I need to know what's going on.
Calling about a new order? Please press 1. Need help with an existing order? Please press 2. Loading. Oh, no transaction found. Let me repeat that back to you. 131.
I put it over here. It took me so long to figure out how to put this bell on. Sorry, I'm on hold with Aritzia still. They can't find my order that I ordered. Look at my pins. I love my pins. Should I go over them with you guys? I have some pins on the back too. 40 minutes on the phone with Aritzia and they still cannot find my package. They have no idea where it is. My drawers look off. I think I need to fix this. Oh, that's what you get when you buy IKEA, right? Anyways, I put my pin on. I'm so excited. My Lily Sia pin. I don't have a locking pin back for it, although I should get one and put it on, but I'm not going to Disney anytime soon, so I don't have any locking pin backs, but I love, this is my first pin that like moves. And then these are the rest of my pins. Let's just go over them real quick. Doug, Disney, just a random molar. I don't know where I got that from. Disney. This is Chat Time, I think. This is my Chanel brooch, my Louis Vuitton airplane. It's from their like Voyage, whatever. Sorry, I don't know French. That like collection that they did at like Union Station. And then I have this little cat from Cry Wolf, which I don't think Cry Wolf is around anymore. This little Pocky is from QUEENIE'S cards. This BREWSTER is from Just Peachy Co. This is from Lily Sia. And then the back I have Astro Blaster from Just Peachy. And then this is a Disney Donald and a Disney Oswald. And then my jean jacket is an oversized jean jacket from Wilfred Free. Okay. Harley's dropping off gifts. Oh my god, guys, it's almost 1:30. I finished. I made a dog one. It's not for Harley. It's just a dog shape. What do I have here? I have a chocolate peppermint, my chocolate chip cookies. These are like crispy S cookies. This is vanilla sugar cookie, matcha sugar cookie. My sister went wild on the decorating there. And then this is a marble cookie. But yeah. Exciting. And then those are just extras. Oh, guys, I am sweating. I hope I just fixed the camera, so I hope I wasn't overexposed in my video. I just filmed a video. I really hope I wasn't overexposed. Anyways, it's Sunday now. Happy birthday, Lauren! It's Lauren's birthday. If you guys watch me, you probably watch Lauren El Valaket. Miss you, Lauren. I miss her so much. I didn't get to see her this year, and I usually go to Vancouver. Well, I've been to Vancouver like twice in the past like 2 years. Like every year I went like once, and every time we get to hang out, and I didn't get to hang out with her this year because of COVID. I really miss you, Lauren. Well, she already knows that because I text her every day, but miss you, Lauren. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Oh, by the time she sees this, it will be Thursday. Happy belated birthday, Lauren. Today I have errands to run. I'm going to drop off some cookies, which you would have seen my cookies yesterday. I'm literally so tired because I started baking at like 6 p.m. and then I didn't finish, which is why I probably look like death, until like 1:30 a.m. and then I had to clean up, and I hate working with candy because like the sprinkles just get everywhere, but without the sprinkles it doesn't look festive. So anyways, yeah, that's that. Okay, I'm just gonna catch up on trash taste, and then I have a hash brown, and then I have 3 egg yolks from yesterday's cookies that I didn't use, so I'm gonna use that, and then an egg, and then some kale, and what is in there? I put salt, pepper, a little bit of milk, and Parmesan. I dropped off all the cookies, picked up all the groceries for Christmas Eve dinner, which I'm making birria tacos. I saw a TikTok recipe and I'm excited to try it because she said it tastes similar to it. I can't find like any Mexican dried peppers, but I'm going to like substitute some stuff. Hopefully it tastes similar enough. But yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys how I make it because I'm not making it until Christmas Eve, so you guys won't see that in this vlog, but I am making birria tacos. Oh my god, I'm home. I picked up from Annie and Mercy. I picked up some gifts for people. I'm so excited. This is for Victoria. This is for me. So I'll unbox that with you guys. And then I have some other gifts. And then I have some other gifts. This one is for my friend Patricia. This is for Rames, so cute. And then lastly, this is for Vix. So I just got everyone some cute stuff. I'm not gonna say what I got you guys. Just gonna say I got you guys some cute stuff. Okay, also just in case anyone's wondering, I'm wearing the cropped crew from Aritzia. This is the tie-dye. I don't remember the color, but I'll link it down below. And then these are just the regular, I think they're the boyfriend pant. It has the like, it's just the matching thing. Anyways, this is size 2 or maybe a 1, and then the pants are size small, but, or no, size medium. Anyways, let's unbox and see what I got. She was so kind and quickly got this stuff done. I was actually supposed to go meet up with her at 11, but she asked me if I could push it back, and I was like, no worries, girl. So anyways, cute packaging as always with the evergreen. And then she put a card for me. So cute. She just sent me, she wrote me a little note. And then the box says Annie and Mercy. She was rushing. She had so many orders to bring out, and I saw her mom. And then there's the sticker. I'm just gonna take that aside. Here we go. Ooh, she did the stamping on the inside today. It says with love. I love a wax stamp. It's those little details, you know? Here's my order. So I ordered a ton of scrunchies. This one is in, this is the classic scrunchie in terracotta. This one is, let me just double check. One is in rosewood. It is just this like beautiful glittery kind of check pattern. There you go. It's this beautiful check pattern. This one is in terracotta, which is this like cute blush pink. We made this baby a little bit bigger so there's no excess fabric left. Oh, that's so cute. Then this one is in garland. It is a classic as well. This one I believe is Silver Bell. So cute. I ordered a lot from her. This one is one of my favorites. This is Frost. It's just this beautiful blue. And I also ordered a champagne for myself. Grande Frost, as I like to like tie my hair half up when I have what do you call it, my hair curled and then half up. I got myself a koozie, which this is new. I got this for like my Starbucks cups and I think they're really cute, and it just says Annie Mercy. Look at this festive print. It is so adorable. So anyways, I'm very excited that she was making these as I was going to pick them up. So anyways, give Annie Mercy some love, guys. Check them out. I will link them down below. Look how many I got. Like, it's crazy. Thank you, Mercy, and thank you to your mom for getting my order ready on time. When I said my dog loves packages, he loves them. Can you tell he slobbered on it already? Because he went to smell it. Hi, are you giving everyone a kiss? See, he just wants to unbox packages all the time. Binkles, stop it. I realized in the last clip that it seems like I didn't purchase the Annie and Mercy stuff and that it was gifted to me. No, I 100% I paid for everything. Supporting local businesses, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Merry Christmas, everyone, if you celebrate, or just happy holidays if you don't celebrate. Oh, my camera's doing that weird thing again because the Christmas tree is on. The light always like makes it weird. Anyways, I hope you guys have a safe, and even though it's a weird Christmas or holiday season, a happy Christmas or holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel again. We will see you guys in the new year. Bye! Happy holidays!